folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the Braised Chicken Wings. Chinese name called 红烧鸡翅. The main ingredients we need chicken wings. We have a chicken, the tips of chicken wings. I use the whole chicken, the middle, and the little drum. This part is a whole chicken wings. I cut it to 3 pieces. The chicken wings we use. We need 2 green onion, a few sliced ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the green onion. This green onion we cut from the middle, the leaf part, and the white part. The white part we cut the roots off. Cut it off and throw away. And we cut it this long. We use it. Put it with the ginger. For the leaf part, we chop it as thin as possible. We use it for decoration. So it will be like this, a small piece for decoration. So the leaf part of the green onion we get, and the white part of the green onion we get. We add half pot of the water. Add enough water, half pot of water. On the stove, high fire. Now we add the chicken wings into the water. Add the chicken wings into the water. This is cooking wine. I don't know if you can see. This is cooking wine. We add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine to it. 1 tablespoon cooking wine. And stir it. Just heat the pot until it's boiling, and a lot of then we do the next step. If you don't have cooking wine, you can add the alcohol at home. Any alcohol, beer, red wine, or any wine, it's okay. It doesn't matter. So while you process the chicken wings, remember to boil have some boiling water. Now you can see there's a lot of foam on the top, and it's boiling. We get those, try not to get a foam, get the chicken wings out. You can put it in a strainer to drain, to try don't get those foam. Or you can use a skipper to get those foam. Or you can just drain the water and use the warm water to rinse those foam away. We don't want those foam. Okay, those are the chicken wings we get. The processed chicken wings we get. On the stove, medium fire, we turn to 6. This is a vegetable oil. We add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. You can add a little more if you, but not more than a 1/4 cup. Then raise the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the. Then we just the oil is ready. We add the green onion, ginger into the oil to slowly to fry it. Slowly fry the green onion and the ginger. When the green onion get brown and the ginger also get brown and release good smell, turn off the stove and don't stay too close, and add the chicken wing into it. Don't add water. Do not add water. Be careful. Do not add water. Okay. And slowly stir fry. Turn the stove on to the medium flame, 6. Okay. With just the oil in the pot and no water, we go to don't let the chicken wings to fry the bottom. We add this is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. Okay. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. This is the dark soy sauce. This is the dark soy sauce. We add, it doesn't matter which brand we add. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce to it. Okay. To fry, stir fry. This is the caramel sugar water we add to the and turn the fire to the high fire now. Yeah, this is the boiling water. The boiling water we add the boiling water to cover the. I need to cover the chicken wings. Don't add too much, but don't add at least to cover. The water just covers the chicken wings. This is plain salt. We add 1 teaspoon plain salt to it. Don't add too much. This is the star anise. Star anise, we add 1 star anise to it. Stir it, don't let the chicken wing stick to the bottom. Now we add sugar to it. You can add this lump, this kind of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of this sugar, or you add the plain sugar. If you have diabetic, you can add the Splenda, this kind of brown sugar to it. Yeah. We add the Splenda brown sugar. We add 1 tablespoon brown sugar to it. Splenda brown sugar Splenda. Okay. Now cover it. If you want to put some bay leaves, yeah, you can do it. If you have bay leaves, I don't add bay leaves. It's up to you. So we turn the fire to the fan, let it slowly to steam, to braise the chicken wings until the chicken is fully cooked. Probably for 15-20 minutes we check. After 15 minutes we check the chicken wings. We use a chopstick, you can use a fork to poke through the chicken wing. It's easy, very easy to poke it through. That means this chicken wing is fully cooked. And yeah, right now we tried it. It's easy to poke it through. There's no blood come out. It's very easy to poke it through. Now we turn the fire to the high fire to thick up the sauce. Now you can see the sauce already thick up. And very sauce, you can see it's very thick, like this. So this dish is done. We turn off the stove. Use the spoon to get the chicken to the plate. Okay, we just put the plate here. We use a spoon to get the chicken wing into the plate. Okay, there's a sauce. We added the sauce. Don't get the spicy into it. Add the sauce on the top. Don't try not to get the ginger or stuff spicy on it. Some sauce. And the chicken. Okay. Cleaned. If you have the sesame, add some sesame, roasted sesame on it. If you don't have sesame, you don't need to add it to it. So just add some roasted sesame on top for decoration. Okay, this is the green onion leaves. We add on the top. You can add some or add off, it's up to you. Okay, add off it. So the braised chicken wing, this dish is done. Chinese name called 红烧鸡翅. And I hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.